Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going back to a time when cars had character. Chrome was king, and innovation didn't come from Silicon Valley. It came from South Bend, Indiana. Meet the 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire, with its partner in crime, the 1962 Trailorboat camper. This combo is what happens when an engineer and a fisherman walk into a bar and decide, you know what would make this road trip perfect? A boat for a hat. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to CampAvto. We've got more rolling oddities, shiny classics, and questionable life decisions on wheels coming your way. Now, the Studebaker Wagonaire was one of those cars that made you stop and say, wait, the roof does what? Designed by Brooks Stevens, the same genius who gave us the Jeep Wagoneer, this station wagon had a retractable roof panel over the cargo area. Slide it open, and boom! You could carry your fridge upright like a man who just bought too many frozen pizzas. Under the hood sat a 259 cubic inch, 4.2-liter V8 engine that made 180 horsepower and 260 pound-feet, 353 newton-meters of torque. Not bad for a family hauler that looked like your dad's accountant, but drove like your cool uncle's convertible. This particular Wagonaire is the Daytona trim, the fancy one, dressed in green mist with an ermine white roof. A color combo so sharp it makes avocado toast look bland. Inside, it's all two-tone glory and chrome sparkle, and I believe it's the kind of place you could spill your soda and still feel classy. With a 3-speed manual and overdrive, this wagon cruises at 65 to 70 miles per hour, 105 to 113 kilometers, without breaking a sweat or a gasket. But the real showstopper, the 1962 Trailorboat camper. Made in California by Trailorboat Engineering, this fiberglass wonder was built in limited numbers, around 400 units total. It's tiny, adorable, and bizarrely practical. The camper sleeps too, has storage space for essentials, and when you're done camping, the roof lifts off and becomes a real boat. Yep, it's literally a camper with a removable boat hat. My neighbor once tried to turn his canoe into a roof rack, and let's just say the only thing that floated was his pride, downstream. The whole combo looks freshly restored, down to the matching paint job. It's one of those rigs that makes people at gas stations forget they came for fuel. And sure, there's no official price listed, but I'd wager it's somewhere under $100,000, about 92,000 euros. Considering you're getting a car, a camper, and a boat, that's 3 hobbies in one purchase, and possibly a midlife crisis bundled for free. What I like the most about this pair is how it captures that carefree 60s spirit. You weren't supposed to blend in. You were supposed to roll up to the lake, pop the roof, and sail away before anyone noticed your sandwiches were soggy. I think if Studebaker made this today, it'd be an electric hybrid with an app that reminds you to enjoy nature responsibly. But back then, it was just about freedom, chrome, and maybe a little wind in your hair. So, if you ever spot one of these unicorns in the wild, salute it. It's a rolling piece of history that dared to be weird before weird was cool. And if you want to see more vintage beauties like this, check the link under the video.